teacher. Welcome to my video project about on American English backward. When we to explain about the backward, when we follow the rule is important because if you want to pronunciate the right word or the backward. Today I explain how the sounds work using the iPad chart. This chart is a map of the mouth. This chart helps to follow the right pronunciation, the backward. First, say the horizontal line show the tongue position if is front, is center, or is back. The horizontal line. And the vertical line, how much the how drops. First is the height, is the mid, and the low or lower. This show how position is the tongue and different position make a different sounds. Let's look at the important sounds. Here we going to see different position of the tongue and different sounds. First is from backward. Let's start with the from backward. What is the from backward? What is the position of the tongue? Here the tongue move forward. Forward is the position of the tongue. First, distance is E. For example, when we say or the pronunciation E, the tongue is go forward. The example show is as in C. The tongue come from and the mouth is high and the lips pull back like a smile. For example, we have three examples here. Fi, if we to pronunciate the C, the we, and she, we need to smile for pronunciation this word. C, we, and she. The second is relaxed. First is E when the tongue go forward. And the second is relaxed sound as in set. When we to say fake down, the pronunciation is Z. The how drops as a little bite and the lip relax. First the tongue go forward and now is relaxed. Lip is sad, face and shape. The pronunciation is different and the position of the tongue is different. And third, the fact is two movement or the sounds as is different. For example, here is cat. Open your mouth very right and lower your mouth completely, right? When we to pronunciate cat, we open our mouth, cat, and other cat back, am happy. These three words need to have this position: cat, back, am happy. And number two is dicton and central vowel noun. First, we see the front vowel when the tongue is go forward, and now is the central vowel. Let's look at changing sounds and center vowel. First, front, center, and back. Sound and center vowel. The dicton a and e as in the same or example is my. These two vowel, but when the two vowel is together, the name is dicton. The mouth start completely open and transition quickly to the top. For example, we have the word my, life, and my. Here the pronunciation is ha. In the center, we have the schwa. What is the schwa? It is the most neutral sound. The tongue is the rest on the bottom of the mouth. First, the tongue is moved and forward, but we see the relaxed, and now is rest on the bottom of the mouth. Around, a cloth, and holiday. This is the word that make the example the schwa. A cloth, around, and holiday. Below it is the stressed sounds, as in cut, and short, cut, laugh, and country. In this study, we see the first, the sound is long, and the second is short. When we see see, and the other is set, is more short. Finally, let's see the back vowel, where the tongue pulls back. Now we're going to see the position of the tongue is back. The tense u sounds as in the foot. The lips run tightly into a small circle. For example, foot, run, and you. In contrast, the relaxed sounds and it foot. The lips are not tightly run, and the jaw drops slightly. Foot, butt, and look. These three examples: foot, butt, and look. In conclusion about this topic, practicing the sound helps non-native speaker a lot. If we don't master them, words like sheep and sheep is for pronunciation is sheep is long and the sheep is short. We sound exactly the same, but training our mouth muscle help us speak with more clarity. And now I need to say that is very important because if we practicing every day, we're going to look the background is different and the pronunciation different word is necessary, and we're going to have a clarity pronunciation, and we can to understand the pronunciation from different sentences. Thank you for watching this video.